everyone, this is your girl Franca Ediale, one of the universe. I have something to add to today, as in, okay, I just want to tell anyone there, do not feel too big just because people are watching you. Anyway, any position that God have put it, any position that you are in life, God put you there in that position. And remember, if you do not know how to handle that position, God can easily remove you from that position if you do not know how to handle the position. Meanwhile, any position that you are now, do all your possible best to control it and to know how to sit down in the chair that corresponds to you. Yes, God can shut down anything that He has given to you. If you do not know how to maintain it, if you do not know how to use it, He can shut it down. That is God for you. Please, in any standard that you are, maybe after getting to that extent, you are not forming that you are the Alpha and Omega, there is no one like you. No, God put you there in that position. If you do not know how to handle the position, God can easily take that position away from you. Okay? God can easily take the position away from you. And if the goodness of God in your life do not make you to be humble, God can easily block that blessings, that goodness that is in your life. He can shut it down. God can shut that goodness that is in your life down if you do not know how to handle it. If you are not handling that stage that you are, as if you are Alpha and Omega, you are that, you are this, God can easily shut that opportunity down. And if you don't want God to shut that opportunity down, you need to listen to those close to you. Maybe you are overdoing wrong. They are telling you what you are doing now is not good. Just listen and investigate yourself. View yourself. Okay? The goodness that the Lord have given to you to maintain in this life, if you do not know how to control it, He will use it against you. If you do not want God to use the goodness in your life against you, please listen to others. Yeah, listen to them. Not everybody, but people that is so close to you. Maybe that they feel, people that know you. Yes, when they are talking, maybe sometimes when you are doing some things, you will not see yourself what you are doing. Others looking at you may see you what you are doing, that this is not good, this is good. But just adjust a little bit if you do not want God to take that goodness that He has placed into your life. If you do not want Him to remove it from your life, you will deviate from the evil that you want to partake. You know why? Because God that was be able to make breast, this breast, there's nothing on it, but there is milk inside. We don't know how He does it. Yes, God said, many are confused are choosing. Try to be the choosing one, not by listening to yourself alone. That others, what they are saying is not right. No. If the goodness in your life does not make you to be humble, God can shut it down. If you know that you do not want that goodness to be shut down, you need to respect yourself. You need to be humble. It's not about respecting yourself. You need to be humble, because respecting yourself and be humble is different. That is what God is saying right now. If you know that the goodness, the good that He has done in your life does not make you to be humble, that He will shut it down. That is this message from Franca Ediale today. And God, He said, if He can bring out milk out of breast, the goodness that He has placed into your life, if you do not know how to humble yourself, that He will shut the goodness down. Yes, when you are a leader, as in a leader don't have to behave as if he is a threat to the people he is leading, or she or he is leading. Yeah, and you can't be dealing with individual always. You can't be dealing with individual always. This one did something, let me deal with this person. The other one did this one. No. As a leader, you deal with nations. You can't be dealing with an individual. You can't be dealing with an individual. As a leader, you deal with nation. As a leader, if you are dealing with an individual, that means that you cannot handle a nation. You can't be a leader. Yes, because the people you are leading, they not feel threats. They not feel that you are their enemy. That you are no more a leader to them. They are not feeling that you are not their enemy, because the way you are behaving or the way you are leading them, it make them to feel threats. Make them to feel threatened. You are threatening them with your leading. Any leader that want to be picking up by this one did me that, the other one did me that, the other one did this to me, the other one did that to me, you cannot be a leader. You can't be a leader. If you want to be a leader, you do not have to be picking on individual, because an individual will be feeling maybe you are not becoming their enemy. You are not their enemy. That is why you need to face nation. If you are a leader, you face nations. You can't face an individual like us. No, that is wrong. For example, you are doing video, someone comment on it, you just pick it. Why that? Why this? All those are children's play. All those are child play. No, it shouldn't be like that. You as a leader that we are looking up to her, at least the way you are speaking or the way you are doing your things, it makes someone to feel that yes, we have future tomorrow. We have future. But your attitude make us to feel that you are our enemy. Your attitude make us to be scared that you cannot represent what you cannot represent. And what we expect from you, we can't get it. And sometimes when we are talking to you, you do not want to take it. But we need the best out of you. We do not just need the little one. We need the best out of you. Including me. When I'm wrong, someone needs to correct me. But that one that someone said that I'm always insulting people, that is not true. I do not insult anyone. I don't even like to look for trouble. No, I don't like looking for trouble. But when someone says they want to look for my trouble, oh, I will use this person to drink Gary. Yeah. Meanwhile, as a leader, you are talking to us, you are a leader, what you are saying, it makes someone to feel, okay, we have future tomorrow. Everybody is now praising you, saying, yes, what you are doing is good, what you are doing is nice. But your attitude, the attitude that you are not carrying in that leadership, it still makes us to feel threatened. Because as a leader, if you want to deal with someone, you cannot just deal with one single person like me alone. You have to be dealing with nations. A leader deals with nations. A leader do not deal with an individual. Any leader that deals with an individual, that leader is demonstrating and is showing his capacity that he cannot lead a nation. If you want to lead a nation, don't be picking on an individual. When you are picking on an individual, it makes the rest individual to feel threatened. It makes them to feel that, okay, you are their enemies. That is why you need to face nation. And any man, any woman, any leader that pick on an individual, this one did this one to me, this one did this to me, you can't lead a nation. Yeah. If you want to lead a nation, do not pick on anyone. You face the nations. Yeah, we know that, yes, someone is there. And someone using their time, their hours, the time that they could have used to create something for themselves, using it to watch you. That does not mean that you will be now be forming, you are not the super, you are not more than others. No. No. You are not more than anyone. It's just your time. No. You are not more than anyone. And people should be careful. Do not let others, if you cannot motivate yourself in this life, others will motivate you to their system. That means daily you have to motivate yourself daily. Motivate yourself daily. If you cannot motivate yourself daily, other people will motivate you to themselves. That 1 hour that you want to use to watch other, use it to create your own. To create your own. I think so. I still remember that your girl, your sister, your friend, your daughter, your auntie, your cousin, Franca Ediale. You people should subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have my own doings. I have the way I do my things. You know my name is Franca. I am sincerity. That's the representative of my name, Franca. I am sincere human being. Sincere human being. Okay? Anyone that is dealing with an individual, any leader that is dealing with an individual, you have to know that he's not capable of ruling nations. You make us to feel that you are our enemy. Meanwhile, nobody knows if your intention is like that. Do not pick on an individual. If you want to do something, do it generously without expecting anything in return. Yeah. Yes. Committing my time to watch you, that doesn't mean that you are more than me, that you are superior than me. No. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. And the position that you are, if you do not know how to control it, God can shut you down out of that place. When you are in a position, you do not respect yourself, God will shut you down out of that position, yes. I am not pleading for viewers. I am not pleading for subscribers. When the time comes, they will subscribe. They will view. They by themselves. Because I'm not the owner of myself. Clapping for you, say yes, you did that right. Or maybe you are doing your own thing, I will call inside and say something. That doesn't mean that you are more than me. No, but as an elder person, we need to respect you. But when you are misbehaving, we need to talk to you too. But because if we didn't talk to you, who else is going to talk to you? When you are behaving like a devil, I need to tell you that your attitude right now is representing a devilish attitude. When your attitude is like an angel, you are behaving very well, I will still let you know. Not as a leader, you make someone to feel as safe. You are picking on an individual. No. You have to face the nation. This one did that to me. This one did this to me. That is not nice. I can see now, sometimes you help some people, but they do not want to say thank you to you. Yes, because the way you are taking it is not nice. And someone called you a name. The way you are not behaving, you are not saying that your attitude is not representing what someone called you. Please. The love that someone has for you still remains there. As in my name. The sincere person that I am, I still have to speak my mind out. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're a wife to Donald Trump. Because you cannot bring my fingernails out. If it is damaged, that means I don't care if you are Donald Trump's wife. You are not up to my finger. Even Donald Trump's wife is not up to my finger. Because if I said I should come and create my finger right now, he don't even know how to create it. I know how to. You are just you. I am I. You are you. I am Franca. Not because someone spent his 1 hour to watch you, his 2 hours to watch you, you not feel that you are Alpha and Omega. You feel that you can oppress. Nobody can oppress Franca. Nobody. It's the right from childhood. Right from when I was little. I don't give that shit for anyone to oppress me. Who are you to oppress me? Are you okay? I am the oppressor. If I feel like oppressing, yeah. But I know how to respect myself. In all angles. I know how to respect myself. Please, in any standard of life that you are, you should learn how to sit on your personal seat. If not, God will shut you. God will take you out of that seat. That is my message for today. Do not let them feel that you are now becoming their enemy. No. As for that, I am not depressed. I don't know what is depressed. I am not anxious. And if people didn't watch my YouTube today, hair is going to get loose. No. I'm just doing it because I love it. I love it. Because I love it. Or I want people to come and subscribe. It's not by force. It's gradually. You have to remember, anything in your life that you didn't work for, you will never ever value it. No, you have to work for it. When you work for it, you will learn how to value that thing, how to hold that thing, how to appreciate that thing. But if the thing just come freely like that, you will not know the value. Okay, let me work on it. I am working on my YouTube. I am working on it. You people should try to subscribe. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Those of you that have already subscribed, God will bless you. God will uplift you. God will empower you in anything you do. You will never lack. No matter this coronavirus that is walking around everywhere right now, we will never have any portion of it in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. We will hear with our ear. We will never see it with our eyes, and our leg will never take us there. Please, if you want to be a leader that leads nations. Do not be a leader that attack an individual. Okay, that's my message for today. Please, my brothers and sisters, as you come across this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe to boosting me up more for me to know that. But I am surprised that I have such people that have subscribed to my channel. I'm not anxious of it. I'm not anxious. I'm not depressed. I don't know what is depressed. I'm happy. I'm happy. I have my father, my mother that loves me, my brothers and sister that loves me, a husband that loves me, my children that loves me, my business. Anyway, still continue patronizing my business or my AE marker. Patronize my marker. Oh, anyway, the marker is not here right now. Patronize my marker. Call me. Order your marker. Place your order. Place your order. You do not want to have a beautiful girl like this. You do not want to have her marker. Yes, as the marker is just a new business, a new entrepreneur right now. Yes, you have to. I still remember when this girl started. When she just started, I bought her marker. You understand? Please patronize my marker. AE marker. Patronize it. Patronize it. Call me and let me send yours for you. It's not that expensive. It's not that expensive. Stop taking things for granted. Anyway, I'm not going to get tired of that, my marker. I must sell that marker. I must make money with that marker. My marker will be more rain. It will be more than Dolce & Gabbana when the time comes. Yeah. All this Mary Kay, say, what's so called, that's how they started. Yeah, they start from somewhere. If you want to do something like that, you need to go and read about them. Yeah, you read about them. You see what happened to them. Was even some 5 years, nothing happened. But later everything went so well. You understand? Please patronize my marker. Patronize it. It's a very lovely marker. If you want me to customize a clothes for you, just let me know. If you want to do marriage, you want your Ashebi girls to look beautiful, call me. I will choose a very beautiful color for you and your Ashebi girls, and we put the AE marker. If you want it, you design it for you. Everybody will put it on. The kind of color, the kind of size. Just call. Place your order in AE marker. AE marker. Bye-bye. This is your Franca. Those of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Thanks. I'm doing this because I love it. Okay. Bye-bye. We do not know what is depression. We don't know. I love it. That is why I'm doing it. I'm free. I'm happy that I do not go to farm anymore. That I'm beautiful like this. I can do like this. I'm happy. Okay. I'm happy. Look at my skin. Oh, look at my skin. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That's why it's so nice. Please don't put your ad there. I'm just saying it too, so that your body will be feeling, so that you choose a good man for yourself. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.